Take a moment to check out the 2021 Hyundai Tucson. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take your daily drive to a higher level of comfort and quality with this well-built, well-equipped Tucson. Standard high-tech touchscreen infotainment, standard driver assistance features, and an upscale feel make this stylish compact crossover stand out from the crowd. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, fog lamps, power liftgate, heated mirrors, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls. Quality blends beautifully with convenience in this remarkably well-designed Tucson. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.